President Tayyip, President Bola Tinubu, President would have been here himself. In fact, he has scheduled to be in Abia because of the people of Abia, because of the friendship he has with our Governor Alex Oti. But we had the burial of our national chairman's mother, and he asked me to let you know that within this year, he will visit Abia by himself. Can we put our hands together for our president? Your Excellency, the performing the miracle of Abia State, Dr. Alex Abia Oti, OFR, Governor of Abia State. Your Excellency, our leader, the Deputy Senate, the Deputy Speaker of the 10th Assembly, our brother, Right Honorable Nnamdi Kanu, CFR, the my Lord, Senator Abaribe, other distinguished senators that are here, my colleague, the Deputy Governor of Abia State, our traditional fathers, our religious fathers, leaders of Abia people, leaders of Undigo. I bring greetings from our dear father, the father of Nigeria, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Tinubu, GCFR. On behalf of Mr. President, let me thank Abia people for the countless number of people that line the streets of Aba and Umahi to welcome me and your governor. It shows the love you have for our government, for your governor, and for the infrastructural development taking place in Abia State. Since I came, 10 a.m., we have been commissioning projects. First was His Excellency Michael Auditorium, a legacy project, a beauty to behold. And let me note that Michael Opala plays the kind of politics that we desire now. He took our people to the center, and we continue to pray that God will rest his soul and give him peace. And let me say to the governor, congratulations for remembering him and for turning that edifice a site of beauty. We went ahead to commission a number of projects, starting from Ajiwe Road Project, Gabriel Wosu Project, Nkoro Road Project, People's Project, Ndoki Project, Umatako Project, Ohango Road Project, and the biggest of all, the impossible Port Harcourt Road that was made possible by your government. I commend your governor very highly. I've listened to his developmental plans, and I know your governor much before now. He's a sound economist and very experienced personality. I have no doubt that through him, Aba has recovered her lost glory. That through him, other people have taken back their state. And to God, we say be the glory. Let me assure you that other states is very important in the economic development plans of our nation. Presently, we are completing the 56-kilometer dualized of Umahi Road, costing us 66 billion, done by the Arab contractors. Let me tell you that the Umahi 49 kilometers, we have completed 14 kilometers, and by the request of the governor of Abia State, we have handed over the remaining 35 kilometers of the road to him to complete and for us to enjoy. Let me announce that the famous Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway and the axis of Akpoti-Uduaghan is passing through this very important route, Umahi route, which means that the moment you are on this road, when completed, in 5 hours, you will be in Lagos. Can we put our hands together for our president? The Akpoti-Uduaghan road, which is 48 kilometers by 2. We have fully completed 50 kilometers, one full carriageway and a half, costing 65 billion. Work has been directed to start on the second carriageway. The impossible Port Harcourt road, 43 kilometers. Our government has completed fully one carriageway. 15 minutes from Aba, you will be in Port Harcourt. And I know very well that a lot of other people do business in One Port. Let me announce again that the 15 kilometers of the single carriageway, of the double carriageway, is fully completed, which means that you can well do your business, taking off from Aba, and in 30 minutes you are to One Port. And let me assure you that we are beginning to have a lot of gains from our reforms. The inflation has come down to below 20%. Our foreign reserve has hit over 42 billion. The GDP is growing by over 4.2%. The worst is over. The words of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The man seems that there were hardship, but you know that the dawn is the darkest part of the morning. The worst is over, and we are grateful to God for administration. Let me also assure you of a lot of other projects we are doing across Southeast. We have the 66 kilometer of our people through Uturu in Abia State, and the ending up in Imo State. That is 66 kilometers, costing the federal government 195 billion, and that is under Dangote tax credit. That project is being done with the same quality of Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. The Southeast is not left of the 4 legacy projects of this administration. We have the 465 kilometers starting from Calabar, through Ebonyi State, through Enugu State, to Benue, to Kogi State, to Nasarawa State, and to Abuja. Presently, 123 kilometers is started from the axis of Ebonyi, and that is costing the federal government 464 billion. Our work is ongoing right now. And let me tell you that we are constructing flyover at Enugu at Abaka Junction. And the Enugu-Onitsha Road project, which is 107 kilometers dualized, we have given MTN the greater part of that road to do under tax credit for a total contract sum of 202 billion. And the leftover 72 kilometers, we are doing it with reinforced concrete. And that is costing federal government 150 billion and 30% is being paid. We have the Abakaliki-Enugu roads dualized. That is costing the federal government 108 billion. The troublesome congestion at the Eko-Mina with Enugu, the federal government is building 23 dualized flyover there. Work is over 95% done. Time will fail me to tell all the projects we are doing in Southeast. But the access road section 2B, 17.5 kilometers dualized, being done by CGC, is ongoing with over 7 bridges and flyovers. That project is costing the federal government 174 billion and 30% is being paid. The initial where the road is going on, the president is committed to completing the long matter to Enugu, 61 kilometers, full one carriageway is built and dual bridges at Atisa in Enugu State completed. Let me assure the people of their state that we are committed to helping the sub-nationals. The removal of subsidy is gaining a lot of momentum projects, and we are witnessing the gains of the removal of fuel subsidy here in Abia State. In the same way it's happening in other states of Nigeria. I commit to helping your governor, working with him to ensure that Abia State fully takes back their state. Governor, I thank you very much, and I commend you for the great work you are doing, and I thank the leaders of Abia State, irrespective of political leanings. You are all together united in support of Mr. President and support of the governor of Abia State, because the welfare of our people is the reason for our being in our different offices. Let me thank the governors of Southeast. All the governors of our Southeast are united in support of Mr. President. And I ask the people of Southeast to unite and come together like we witnessed in Abia State today. And so I thank the people of Abia for your love for your governor, for your love for the president, and for receiving me very well today. Thank you very much. Man of wisdom, a gift to Abia State. And let me tell you one secret. This your governor is my cousin. The same blood flows in us. And so you can see that we love development. And thank you. I want to assure Senator Abaribe on his request and the comments of the governor of Abia State about our brother Nnamdi Kanu. I want to assure, and I know that the governors of Southeast are working very seriously to explore the political solution together with our senators and House of Reps and all the ministers of Southeast. And even those who are not from Southeast are committed to this. I ask our people to be very calm and very law-abiding. Southeast belongs to us. The president belongs to us. The governor belongs to us. I'm very confident that with the love of the president, for the people of Southeast, for the governors and the leadership of Southeast, that which we seek, peaceful resolution of the matter of Nnamdi Kanu, will come to pass. We must be law-abiding. We must be very appreciative. We must know that this president has taken Southeast to the center of activities of our nation. The first time Southeast is getting Minister of Works, and it's not an ordinary Minister of Works. This is very strong Minister of Works who is really working and who will not forget the Southeast face. Be not afraid. God is with us. The president has remembered us. Never again shall we be forgotten. I was a governor. I didn't witness any federal projects in Ebonyi State. But today, everywhere you talk to, you will see President Bola Ahmed Tinubu developmental project. So I have the bragging rights to say this is a gift of the president to the people of Southeast. We have been remembered and we have been fully remembered. We will appreciate him and continue to seek for more so that we can cover all the lost grounds, all the neglects, all the time we were discriminated against. Today, here woman, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu Emenaya. Governor, we thank you. Our leaders, we thank you. Together, we shall take back our country. God bless you and thank you.